let's take the zinc yellow Mach 1 out for a drive. A very long and big house. I went to pick up my son at school and then drive back, and that huge house is right along the road on the way. I like the garage in the back though, that's for sure. Did you see that? Like a ginormous house-sized garage. So we went and got something to eat and enjoyed being out with the car, and we're gonna go to a funeral actually, and this was for an older gentleman that lived in my neighborhood growing up, so I went and met my mom there, and it was fun to be there and see people from my old neighborhood, and it was a really nice day, a nice time to be here, and kind of remember how nice it was for other people who were influential in my life and have really helped me out, and pay tribute to them. So then I went to the store, got a few things, and then headed home, and the Mach 1 looked good and sounded good as ever, but good reminder to enjoy things every day. So I went to get something to eat again, and then I was meeting my wife somewhere else, and this place is a little park, and you can see all the RVs in the background, and that's where I spent a lot of time washing and waxing RVs to pay for my Orange Cobra. So that was a really interesting thing. It's fun to go there and then appreciate not having to be working anymore and get to enjoy being on the other side of things, where I can now enjoy the cars every day instead of have to spend all my time working for them. So we went to this new store, and it was a nice area. This used to be the oldest grocery store in town, and then they repaved everything and remodeled. And then I went to another grocery store that was going in. This is coming back out to the car now. So just enjoying seeing the car everywhere I go and having fun with it for the day. Queen Coyote. That's pretty. Nice dark blue. Love that view. Look how beautiful. Mach 1 with the mountains in the background. Just perfect. Looking good. Can you open it? So I went a few places and got some ice cream and stuff, and brought the car home and left it out where I could wash it a little bit easier. Just gonna wipe it down. There were some like tree pollen things all over it, and it seemed like just driving it blew most of them off, so it wasn't even that bad. But I wanted to clean them up and just enjoy a nice afternoon with the cars, and I'm gonna give the car a good wash here in a minute. So just fun to have it here in the driveway. It's kind of nice when it's pulled out and you can walk around it and work on it a little bit easier. Oh yeah, I can put it there. So I washed the Mach 1, and then the next day it was going to rain, so I took the GT, and it's nice to take it out in the rain because it's an outdoor car all the time. And when I went to work, I went to roll down the window, and like the window switch had fallen down in, so I did a little repair on that, and I'll show you what I did here with it, but it wasn't that bad. But it's nice to have this car to drive out in the rain and not worry about it as much, and still enjoy it, keep it clean when I can, wash it and take care of it, but a car I can drive out in the elements and not worry. So here's what I did with the door pull, and I'll talk about it here in a second, but basically I got it all fixed up and ready to go back in. So I did a little repair on this because I came out to drive the car and the buttons were sunk way down in there. They had fallen down in, and I thought that these screw tabs had been broken off, and it just turns out that this base has little tiny plastic ears, and they just unglued themselves on all four sides. And so that was just kind of weird how it just fell down in there. You know, I asked my wife because she had driven it last. She's like, I noticed they were down there, but I didn't do anything with it. And so it must maybe slamming the door or whatever made it finally drop down in there. But luckily it was a simple repair because I just glued this plastic box back on, and you know, that'll be a lot better because you know, you had to stick your finger kind of deep down in there just to get it to roll down the window. Much better. So everything's doing well. I got to enjoy the yellow Mach 1 a lot and also be daily driving the GT. So that's the update for now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.